In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Zara order. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new addition to your wardrobe or just making sure nothing's lost in the mail, tracking your order is a straightforward process that can give you peace of mind. Let's break it down step by step so you can keep tabs on your package with ease. First, you'll need to go to the Zara website, make sure you're connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. Type in the Zara URL or search for Zara in your search engine. Once the page loads, you'll see Zara's homepage, which is filled with the latest fashion trends and offers. But today we're focusing on something else, your order status. Next, head over to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll find your account icon, typically labeled with your name if you're already logged in. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so with your account details. Clicking your name or the account icon takes you directly to your account dashboard, where you have access to all your personal information and account activity. Once you're in your account dashboard, look for the section labeled Purchases. This is the spot where all your order history lives, so simply click on Purchases to proceed. Now you're getting closer to finding out where your package is. On the Purchases page, you should see a list of all the orders you've placed. Each order will have an order number, date, and status attached to it. Now, locate the order you wish to track. Click on it to reveal more detailed information about the shipment. Here, you'll often find the tracking number as well as a button or link that directs you to the shipping provider's website. By clicking this link or copying the tracking number into the shipper's site, you can view real-time updates on your package. This includes the current location of your package, its journey so far, and an estimated delivery date. Keep in mind that the tracking information is only as current as the shipper updates it, so if your details aren't showing, it may be worthwhile to check back after a few hours. And that's it. You have successfully tracked your Zara order. Remember, having a way to track deliveries not only keeps you informed, but also helps you organize your schedule better, since you'll know when to expect your package. This process can vary slightly if the website updates, but generally, the steps remain pretty consistent. Now you're fully equipped to monitor your Zara packages as they travel from their warehouse to your doorstep. Happy shopping and happy waiting.